really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem been petty. Gotta keep on chugging, ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy, got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up, I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're in hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities are never come unless you paying attention, so no, I can't miss that. Moving, MVP, I got the record, I might have to prove something. Big jumper worthy, they gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming, had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no wins, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, I can't.
Hello. Oh, let's see if it's working. Is it working? Hello, hello, hello. Nothing's working today. Good morning, everyone. Sorry for the delay, some family stuff. Ooh. Let's see. Still in the same position from yesterday. Looking a little bit better. Let's go. Ragnar is the push. Look at all these Discord people in here. I recognize a lot of names. Zan, Jaws, Tomello, Seal of Salmon, Rich, Elias, Ali G, Mart, hello Mart, fellow Vanguard, Shan, Jonathan, actually Zan as well. Salute to you. Jonathan, conscious day trader, sorry for being delayed. We're on. Scott, accepted the rules but still not in the Discord. Well, our fellow and superhuman Marcel, who has 20 hands, he's like this. He will sort that out, I'm sure. Yeah, that's true. Is that we didn't have any issues yesterday with the rules. You should be ticking it. As soon as you tick the rules, you should be in to the tavern, joining in the company with this fellow, big old Ragnar, sitting in the tavern drinking ales. Morning, Tom. Maniac TV. Someone's late today, that's true. Corpez, another fellow Vanguard. Ragnar salutes you. Scott, Hugo, I will get to know you better on the Discord, I'm sure. Let's go back onto the trading field. We repositioned down here. It wouldn't be a bad idea to get a second entry on that 61. We didn't do it though, so we are stuck with this. This has not filled the DXY yet, so we anticipate a drop down. But I've turned into a swing trader now. Let's see, who else we got? Todd, Bonnie, Dan, hello. I believe you're a Vanguard. Gazo, Anna, Pop. Baby Ragnar wanted a meal. Very true. It was related. Michaela, hello. Twan, Krypton Queen. I really think it's time. I like this. I really think it's my time. I think it's my year. Love it. Manifest that every day. Scott. Scott is not accepted in the Discord. All right, let's sort you out. So Marcel is on it. I think we need some Discord glasses for Marcel. He's doing a fantastic job. Like, a lot of Discord. Lot of Discord glasses for that guy. Where is he? Can you hear the mouse? It's coming. That's for Marcel. The legend. Is he gonna let me do it? He's not gonna let me do it. There you go. How does one join the Discord? Let's go and jump on. Can't believe of how many people have jumped onto the Discord. It's quite insane. We had like 400 members, I believe. Today, one of the frequently asked questions on the Discord was about what do you get in the Discord? What is the Discord about? And let's have a look. Let's have a quick look. Here we are. So obviously you won't see everything. You join the Discord as a member. So you see the blue names here. These are all members. And you get the orange when you become a Vanguard, and that gives you access to more rooms, basically. The monthly book club, the Vanguard, manifestation. We've been writing all our manifestations in there, and these cool reactions are fun. So my one, I'll read you my one. By next year, I will be trading a 300,000 account and have a 100,000 Fivers growth account. I will be more present with my son and prioritize my family over anything. I'll be making consistently an average 8,000 to 10,000 a month. That's my manifestation piece. But that's for the Vanguard. So you get like health. We tap into our health. This is the first book club that we're going to be reading. Let's put that away. Let's close that. Close. What am I doing? Okay, maybe it's got a notification. And the weekly Q&A. That's another one. We'll go in detail on this. What you will see as soon as you join the Discord is when you tick these rules here. Let's see how many members we got. I thought you can see that. Maybe on my phone. But I think Marcel said about 400. I can see 237 people have clicked the rules, so something needs to join there. But you will get access to the tavern. This here. Which is all the crazy Vikings in here. Look at them. All chatting away. Media. Force. We share a bit of what they've done with the charts. 428 members, Yanis. Wow, that's huge. Considering we launched yesterday, that's ridiculous. A lot of conscious day trader with equal values in the same place. That's powerful. Then you've got a trading floor, and I'm really gonna push you guys to get out of your comfort zone. This is for you. Jump onto one of these, and I'll do it right now so you can see. Go on there, Marcel. Jump on the let's have a few. Jump on the tavern. On the tavern trading floor. Let's do that. And I'll show you why. There we go. Well, Saka is in. Marcel is in. And I don't know if I'm muted. But oh, I can't do it on the phone. I'm sure I can. Alright, so here I am on the Discord. On that place, one of you guys can be the presenter. And that's so powerful. Look at it now. We've got one, Alexandru, Janice, 2, 4.
You guys can be the presenter.
You can see us, Marcel.
And that's so powerful. Look at it now. Just
Oh, it's weird listening to my voice back.
Alexandra, Janice.
But this can be extremely powerful because one of you can open up the charts and show others what you're doing, and they can help you. That's what a community is there for.
But this can be extremely.
Let me get out because I can hear my voice. So that's extremely, extremely powerful. You can show your screen, you can show your trades, you can get other people to jump in and say, actually, I think this would help or this would help. Let's check a trade. This is for you and for us as a community. If you're shy and you're sitting behind, you can have up to 25 people. So if this builds up, you want to be quick to getting in. But London kill zone, New York kill zone, if you're from Asia, Asian kill zone, jump on there. Don't trade in silence. There's huge power in numbers. Make sure you meet each other. We definitely do that on the Vanguard. We jumped on a call. Where's the Vanguard one? Trading zone and chill out zone as well. I find huge power when you have thoughts to be expressed, and that might be something that we jump on the. I might add this on the Guildhall actually. We have a chill out zone in the Vanguard where you can just jump in and say, you know what, today I had a tough day. My trade wasn't going that well. I don't know. Family was affecting me that I didn't do the right decisions of trading. Do you know how powerful that is? To be able to literally jump on and be able to speak to someone who understands trading. You don't get that. And to know that it's a safe place, that he will hold space for you and he will listen to you. I find that very rare and very, very helpful. Just today, I was talking to a friend in Bali and I was expressing everything about, all the things that were going on in my life, about losing my dad, about a personal, a family going into surgery, all these things. And it's like, really, dude, is that a good reason to be stressed? Wait a minute, you lost your dad, your sister, you're launching a Discord, you're doing all of these lives, and maybe we're doing a bit too much. And just that realization wouldn't have come in if I hadn't spoken to another guy. And this here, guys, and it's free. This one is free. You can get in, chat to other people. Rafa is in there, Neil is in there. Hopefully they're listening to the live as well. Do it later, guys. And you have different chill out zones. You can jump in. Marcel's is first in there. Daily loots. Look at this. Dan B, another fellow Vanguard. Challenge 2 account passed. Boom. John G, FTMO, passed. Phase 1 pass for Marcel, and it's doing great. Isn't that great? Let's build up. Let's build up that momentum. Imagine if I was here and saying, guys, this is not going to work. What we're doing is, you have no hope. You're never going to pass a challenge. Would you want to be a part of that community? Absolutely not. What we need is people who have factually done it. And you can jump on the milestones. And I started with this one. The 21,000 payouts. I really want to hit that 100K payout soon. So that's my next milestone. We can jump on and share that and build that momentum. Yeah, I really want this to be a nourishing place. Not that Discord that part of that Discord and I never get in there. Who is this guy? Who is Neil? Like, I would rather you learn Neil. What does Neil do? What information can I get from him to get better? Do you know how powerful that is? To have 400 people who trade, who are going through the same sufferings, the same positive wins as well. It's huge. A bit more than 100 did not accept the rules yet, so be sure to accept the rules after you have submitted your form. Yeah, that's just the rules that says you can't spam, obviously you can't be mean to people. So that way and also has a little, actually it'll be good to discuss this because some people click the rules and they don't read them. So for the Vanguard members, when we do that weekly Q&A on Wednesday, it's just basically agreeing that there will be recordings. These recordings are going to stay in the Zoom recordings. So that way other people are going to see your face. And we just need to check that you're happy with that. So that's what agreeing on the rules. Obviously that doesn't apply if you're doing the free membership, because you won't be recorded or in the meetings. If someone has a problem with this, like not being recorded, then let me know and I will adjust a rule so it fits for you. But we need that because we're all about consent. We're conscious day traders. We don't want to do something that people don't want to do. How's our trade going? 10, 16, 15 minutes in. We're going to take these highs now. Interesting. Are we going to go back to the 50? Ideally, it helps us reposition. By the way, I'm with Sensei in the Discord, but it's going to be fun. If I missed anything, it will reverse soon. So sorry, you don't want to TP. Yeah, after these highs, you won't be right. But what we'll do is let's jump on the trading view. Do I have a trading view? Not TradeSync. Trading. Papa. Oh, look at that. Nice, 2 screens. S&P? I don't think so. I know a lot of people here would like to see the S&P. That's where we are. Right, we hit equilibrium and now it's bouncing back. Let's see the daily. These soldiers are pushed up now. They're getting close. These are where they are for the reposition. Do I think it's going to reposition? Let's see. Got that fair value gap there. Where's the daily? We need our... Can I delete that? Let's go to 1. All right, so previous day. I'm so happy that I'm seeing people in the Discord that have the common. We are commoners, we are Vikings, that have similar mindset, and that's amazing. You know, I've read some of your forms and I'm like, yes, that's what we need. More people like you. Right, that looks a bit this could be a Judas move. 15 minute. What's it taken? It took the highs. Yeah. Filled that fair value gap there. Has it taken the highs? Yeah. All right, let's bank this. We'll bank that. And what we'll do is it's either gonna come back down and we're gonna put another order in, or we're gonna kill this top entry. We'll see what we do. So, where is it? It's highly likely that it can go higher to take these, but I'm not going to hold that position. We've got 2 buy side lists there. Let's see. So these guys have gone out with profit. We've taken them out. So they jumped from here to here with a 0.5. So what's that? That's 30 pips, is it? So it's double because it's 0.5. No, it's 72 pips on a 0.5. So that's really bad. That's really good. Really bad. Right, so what we're going to see is this come back to retest equilibrium. We need to think where these guys are going to replace again. At least what we've done now is we've taken this profit. So even if the price comes back down here, with an entry, we'll be at break even. Taking profit here, price is back to 1 hour fair value gap. That'll do for me. Let's have a look at the 1 hour. Yeah, I can see that. Nice. Nice that. It is tempting to... I am quite bullish generally now, these days. But let's see. Let's see the bigger picture. Yeah, we haven't retraced at all. If you are reading the book in the book club, you will know about the fibs. So let's place that fib on there. We still haven't gone up to the 23.6. So our units can wait. How are we doing on the likes? 37? Come on, guys. Let's get those likes up. All right, it's time for this guy. 37. Ragnar, please help. Let's push. Let's bring the raid. 38. So let's push those likes, including mine. 41. Let's go. Let's get the crowd together. Don't want to get Ragnar angry. The thing is, I've got the sound in my ears, so I hear my voice. So I speak a bit weird. There we go. There we go. 73. Let's get it to the hundreds. Come on. 20 to go. Ragnar's going to do his analysis for repositioning. That's worth a like. My wife is seeing this, like, what is going on? Let's go. Come on. 10 likes to go. And we're going to get the analysis from the command Ragnar. Six more, let's go. Pillage the like button. Smash the like button. Let's turn on the silver bullet in case we missed something. All right, 6 more. There we go. 3 more. Let's go. Price is pushing up. 2 more. All right, we've hit it. Ragnar's happy. He's got an ale in his hand. It's time to relax and give you the analysis. Appreciate that, guys. Let's see if we can kill this trade. Back into that there. Let's talk a bit repositioning. It was one of the biggest questions. Let's go on the Q&A. Q&A, where is it? Q&A. 27. What are the benefits of being a Vanguard? We will talk about that. How does repositioning work? 21. All right, let's do these two. Let's see. Marcel has got some quotes in there. Okay, repositioning. Okay, Zan, I will sort that out. If there's anything that you can't do, guys, we've just launched the server. So if you're a Vanguard and you jump in Mindset or somewhere like Milestone, then let me know and I'll try and fix that. You should be able to post pictures. Let me just do that 1 second for Zan. I'm so new to this. There we go, 30, getting close. What are we at? 261, 368. I think we're hitting our target. What is it? 50 account. 12,000, wasn't it? 12,000 something. So we've got another grand to go to hit our milestone. And then we're going to get a 275 account. Right, let me fix this for a second. Vanguard. Bums. Bam bam. I'll try that for now. If that doesn't work, then we're going to look at it later. Bam, bam, bam. Ah, I found it. All right, you should be able to do it now, Zan. So, boom, 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 boom. Right. My problem is when someone asks for help, I find it really hard not to help him. So, Marcel is keeping me on track. Stick to trading. Thanks, buddy. Right, let's see. We knew what they want to see. DXY. And we're going to talk about repositioning. Is there a repositioning strategy be a violation of the other prop firm because I can't be grid trading strategy? What's grid trading strategy? Repositioning is, let's break it down what it is first, and maybe that will help. We've just tapped into that 1 hour there, which is interesting. That looks like it's 40% to 50%, around 40%. So that's filled this fair value gap. We're getting closer to the gap, so we're still anticipating a push up for the DXY, which means a push down for the pound dollar. But we just want it to come up a little bit to take these guys out. Let's bring that really tight. It costs about $4 to open a position, I believe. Let's have a look. Custom. Oh, $2.25 because it's 0.5. So $4.50 for a lot. So I can get really tight on this. Let's go in 1 minute. Let's bring this TP to $4. So hopefully that will take that out. And then we'll be looking for a long again. But we need to wait for that gap to fill, which means these guys might be coming down. If they're coming down, then we can get our second position. We might add a one lot. We'll see. Because this is a little bit of a confirmation for intention to the upside. It doesn't mean it is the upside, but it has shown multiple green candles. Look at this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 candles, green candles here. 10. 3 more candles, 3 hourly candles, more green than red. It just shows you a little bit of a picture of is this the change of character? Is this going to break this? If this breaks this, and it comes and give us another opportunity to get in, then we're looking for that upside, the 1-3s. We need to take Asian low. Let's have a look at the Asian low. Right, let's put on, this is New York time. Can I store a second one of this? It only does one. That's a bit annoying. You would want to save multiple market sessions. Can we give them some feedback? That is annoying, isn't it? This must be the Asian low. What do I got? A GMT4. What's your server? Good question. Good question. Yesterday I boosted the server, so I don't know what that does actually. I just thought I'll boost the server for you guys, but I don't know why. I think it does something. So I've got it to level 2. You can tell me what it does. Let's pin this so for people to see. All right, this is the link. Price will not take out Asian low today. Ooh, the profits are in the house. Is it gonna rain? I need to ask Zara. And we are hunting all liquidity on the upside. Unable to accept invite. Oh, why is that? I'm not sure about that. Maybe Marcel can help. I can see it. So this is how the invite looks. 442 people. Damn. Oh, sorry, I can't swear. I need to... We need some new moderators, Marcel. We can't do this ourselves. What's the lotto numbers? Guys, like we always say, yes, we want to try and see where liquidity is, right? That's a big thing. We need to try and identify liquidity. So, this area, let's go down the frames. Let's take out this now. Look how far we are from 23.6. This is on a daily. So, I'm still not convinced that we're heading on the upside before we break this level here. Before we break the highs. So this can very easily come down to take the lows. Now what does that mean? Am I predicting this? Am I saying this price is going to take out the Asian low? Wait, we need a... I'm still Ragnar. Oh my God. I've been Ragnar for so long. I forgot about it. You distract me, guys, with the Discord. Poor Ragnar has been listening to this boring chat. So, are we taking the lows? That's the big question. Here. 127,900s. What do we have on the news front? Let's have a look. 26th, 25th, nothing. Jumps up. Dora clings to gains with central banks in focus. Okay. Scary language. Forex factory. I've changed, guys. You've changed me. You've made me a better person by going to Forex. Forex factory instead of baby pips. Nah, we don't want all that. US, pound, let's do euro. Let's do orange as well. Apply. 25th, German IFO business climate. We need to start. I need to start writing these down, and then asking GPT. Actually, let's do that. That's cool. Let's keep an eye on the trade. It's not taking it out yet, so if this comes down to what we're saying, let's go on the daily. 76.4 area, that's beautiful there. That would be a nice entry there. Here, you've got that little order block there. Listen to me talking about order blocks. So that area here is interesting. Don't know what all these lines are. Delete. Delete. Dum dum. Give me 1 second. I really want to test something. All right, we're in. You're ready to be surprised on this beautiful machine called ChatGPT. Okay, AI. Does this create volatility? My spelling on the Forex pound USD pair. Let's see what it comes up with. This is fun. As I know you learn language, I don't have access to real-time data. Okay, so German IFO business climate can potentially impact current pairs on the pound dollar. Economic indicators can influence market sentiment. If the German data shows a strong economic performance in Germany, it may boost investors' confidence in the euro and lead to a stronger euro against other currencies like the British pound. Conversely, weaker than expected data might lead to decline in the euro. So it could affect market sentiment, interest rates, expectations, trade relationships, overall market violations. Should we tease it? So, should I buy pound USD? Trading Forex involves inherent risks. Oh, ChatGPT, I'm just joking. So we have these irrelevant news here. And then 5 p.m. CB consumer confidence. We just got break of structure, really? What time zone? To the downside on the euro. Okay. We took out the lows here. Let's see. I told you guys, we're going down. We're going down. Where is it? Where is it? I've got it here. Something like that. Right into that. Look at that, to the pip. I am tempted to try hedging. Let's go on 15 minute. Taking out the highs. Took out the lows, pushing back into this. Let's see. So this could take up the highs. If it takes out the highs, we've taken out this entry. This is live. First hedge trade ever for the conscious day trader. Let's see. Why did we take it? In kill zone. Silver bullet. Taken out the highs. Pushed down. Created another low. Now it's come up. Filled that fair value gap there. What's 10 pips? 10 pips is $50. $50 to that low there. Into that fair value gap will be $50. Taking out the lows, 83. Let's see if this takes the highs. There. Two good things can happen. One, it goes up and it kills that trade. And then we are shorting this into the DXY. Two, it comes down, pays us off, and then we got money and we're still in our original position. Don't do it. Don't hedge. I believe Fivers allow hedging on a funded account. Otherwise, they will tell me off. But we need to check that. Maybe I should check that with Ruben. I'll try this one, and if he tells me off, I won't do it again. Sorry, Ruben. Right, so let's see if that's going to give us that. Michael says I could do it. Wrong. Fivers allow a hedging if you're Vanguard. I could do it on Bootcamp. I think it is a hedging account. So hedging means doing this. So I guess you can. Not sure. We'll find out. I'll actually, let's have a look. Let's have a look on Fivers. Ba-da-da-da-ba-bam. The only problem I'm thinking about let me think. Let's go on here. Ba-da-da-da-ba-ba-ba. You can, let's see this. You can use an EA, copy trade some other person's signals, do tick scalping, perform latency, arbitrage trading, perform hedge arbitrage trading. I believe that is what we're doing. I think that's what we're doing. I'm sure someone has confirmed that on the chat already. Where are we? Green candles all the way. Have we taken out a position? Taking out the highs. It's a bit of a squeezing to the upside. Let's see. Ba-da-da-ba. You can hedge actually, only cannot use a hedging EA. Okay. So we're good. I see. Now the question is, can this account do it? It is doing it. I hope it is. Right, if we go, yeah, let's see. Where is our charts? 15-minute. We got in there. Give me a second to focus, guys. Ba-ba-bum. Let's go on here. Okay. $76.4. Where are we? Don't like the shot. We took 250 out. My experience of hedging. I don't like the shot. So. That's nice. 76 for monthly retracement. 132, 13. Yeah, I'm not getting involved in shorts, guys. Even though it would give me the hedging, would pay it, and then I could get a better price. I'm not going against my bigger picture. Repositioning, publish. Right, I was thinking about this. And right, let's do a poll. I am really considering to be doing 2 lives a week. Monday, Friday, then Tuesday do a video. Wednesday we do the Vanguard Q&A, and Thursday do a video, and then Friday do another live. Zara, I told you don't do it. Look at it crush down now, Sarah. I'll blame you. Dan, thought about shorting 12869. Take advantage of the short-term pullback, but I agree the points. Yeah, there's always setups, guys. You should never be. Now I've taken my decision. This can crash all the way down here. Doesn't matter. Like, I've done my analysis. I'm happy with it. Is there any point thinking about, I would have made this? I didn't. I closed the trade. So that's it. Ba-ba. I said it short, Rafael. I mean, the short people, not as in height, the shorting people. Who's shorting this? Makes sense. Tackling the lows. I'm sensing a bit of change of character here. Broken here, broken the highs here, broken these highs. It could retrace, but I am sensing a bit of a bigger movement here. If it retraces, gives us a nice opportunity to get in. We can't see clear fair values here, so let's go down. There's that one. That got tapped in. It is squeezing the price here. Let's see. Rafael, I'll share my trade on the Discord. Nice stuff. Am I Marcin? Are you still running on green days since start of the year? No. Well, trade sync. This month, these 2 weeks I haven't traded a lot. So $13 loss, $8 loss, 11 loss. I made $800 there. Closed for $300. This is all one trade. Because I couldn't manage it. So this is the day that it closed the position. So let's say I had 5 repositions. And I closed a losing one, and I only closed that losing one, it will show that as a red day. So this $13 is a reposition. This $8 is a reposition. This 300 is a reposition of the 800. So that's why it gives a 360. But let's go with what it's showing. I've had red days. This is the biggest reposition. 1,300 to 1,100. First red week since January. I wish I had the other. I loaded it with the new account. And then I wanted the Fivers to give me the history of my previous account so I can upload this. Because you can see from March onwards. Damn, it struck me this week, recalling you in the podcast, that if you are running on green days since start of the year, you actually discover a holy grail. And the holy grail is... what is it? The holy grail is... here comes the shorts, guys. Who was it? Rafa is right. Where did that go in? That's nice. But we're gonna wait. The holy grail is knowing what you need as an individual. What it is that you need? Is it the system? Because the system is nothing. What do you need psychologically? How do you deal with your mental guy? DXY on the way to the gap. Let's see it. Here we go. Let's push. Let's go. 196. I short too. Liquidity void. Yeah, this is the gap. I think I'm going to have my first coffee today after the fast. There we go. Taking out this fair value there. Are you out from the shorts? Da-da-da. There's such a big magnet here. And we're so close. And it's the 50% of that retracement. And we're in the golden zone. This can very easy fill the gap, push into the 61. Boom, boom. Pound dollar. Look at that. Look at my drawing on sell side. Boom. So we're going to wait for the price to come down to 61. If it doesn't, we might have to rethink this position actually. Where's the TP? Let's get it out of the way. This is still in silver bullet territory. Only just. This is the last candle. Last 15-minute candle. I am out. Hit my TP. What was your TP? Okay, 10 pips. What was I gonna do? Yeah, the poll. That's what we were doing. Right, so. Let's see, we've got Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, can't spell today. Tuesday and Monday. All right, let's ask the community. I'm going to do 100 votes. When do you want me to be live? I'm going to be doing 2 sessions. Oh, early in the week. This can easily come back to equilibrium. So do something like this. Take this liquidity out, fill this fair value gaps here. This is sell side. All right, let's bring the big guy. We need some help. Okay. Here we go, Tuesday. Tuesday, 55%. Wow. Tuesday's a popular day. Second up is Monday with 35%. Thursday and Friday are falling behind with 5% and 8%. Raphael says Asian low has been taken on the EU. We might see continuation to the downside. The troops are in. $69 votes. 56%. Tuesday is strong. It looks like Monday, Tuesday. Monday, Tuesday for the lives. And then that would mean Thursday, Friday videos. $88 votes, 60% won Tuesday. Tuesday is the biggest winner, followed by Monday. Monday is quite low on volatility, so I'm surprised you're choosing Monday over other days. 27. 2 votes left. Here we go, 1 more vote. Tuesday is winning. 1 vote and thank you, Ragnar. So, I know TB, but we're democratic. A good sample of 100 people want 63% Tuesday and 25% want Monday. So next week we'll do Monday, Tuesday. Bum, bum, bum. Tomorrow they won't be alive because we're doing the first Vanguard Q&A. That's gonna be fun. So you guys in the Vanguard group will come up on stage and you can ask me anything on your trading. I agree, Corpez. And right, tomorrow the Q&A, let's go on this for a sec. Let's see what price is doing. My prediction of this coming down is good. I did wish I had the hedge position in now, but we made the decision. We're staying strong. This can easily come here. This will be a nice area. Yeah, that would be nice. All right, so look at that. Last payout on my 25 funded. Took a while, so patience. Key, says Zan. 2,745 withdrawal. Let's give a big hand of applause to this big man. That's a huge payout for a 25k fund account. Good stuff. So, on the weekly Q&A, there's going to be a Zoom link tomorrow. This is for the Vanguards. These guys. There's going to be, I think we have about, what is it, 12, maybe a bit more, few of K. 13, 14, 15 people. So we should be able to get through everyone. The Q&As will be 1 hour. But this one, because we're going to get to know each other, we're going to do some introductions. I want to know where Ali is from. Obviously, Anna, I know her. Corpez, Dan, Gibbo, Gurden, Mart. I know Michael. Samaf, he's in here as well. Twan, Maniac, Zan. I want to get to know you a little bit. So I've allowed 3 hours tomorrow. So we're definitely going to get through some people there. Feel free to ask me any question. Open book. And hopefully that will help on your journey as well. And also we get to meet the fellow Vanguards. I forgot Marcel. Marcel is in there as well. You can ask me anything, Marcel, as well. So we'll do that tomorrow. So then Thursday, there will be a video. I know there's a lot of requests on repositioning, so maybe I'll do that. And Friday, there will be another video in the in the Discord. In the frequently asked questions in info. Let's do what video would you like for Friday? So if you reply on that, and then whatever gets the most likes, we can do a video for Friday. Isn't that fair? Nice, this is coming down. Potentially fill this now. Here. That little fair value gap on the 1 minute. How much weight I lost on the fast? I lost a bit, right? It shows. I'm not sure. I do feel a lot leaner, and I haven't had coffee for like since last Thursday. I also haven't had any like processed bread and stuff like that. So hopefully this will set me up for a good, strong reset on the body. And as I've said on the health, we share there what I will be doing. Let's see the DXY. It's pushing nicely. Many little gaps there. This is, look at the silver bullet, right? It took out there and delivered 10 pips. Then took out the lows and delivered 10 pips. So if you were shorting or longing by taking out the lows or the highs, liquidity, you would be taking 10 pips. How does one join the Discord? On the top, I've pinned the Discord link. Just click on that. It will ask you to fill in a form. And then after you fill up the form, it will post this rule. You read this carefully, and then if you click this, you get access to the free guild hall, which you put you in the tavern, where you can have ales with the rest of the Vikings in there. Come on, pound. New subscriber, Willie Zelite. We must be close now to 6,000. 5,000, I think it says 861. Stop losses, if you go on Discord and you go frequently asked questions, Marcel has done a really good compilation of times. Here we go. Where do you place stop loss? This is a quote from one of the videos, and then the source. Look at that. I mean, Marcel, big claps for you. So if you click on this, it will take you to that, and then you can see. How do we pass the boot camp? What else we got? What indicators we're using? The silver bullet. And then repositioning. Yeah, we'll look at that later. Most important thing is this to come down here now to get us an entry. 1, 2, 8, 4. That'll be nice. which means we're going to be in a bit of drawdown for this position, but that's okay. 25th. What was our entry? Previous entry was 128. 228, really? We were low. Down here somewhere, these lows. Let's see, that 5 minute. 1, 2, 3. Dum, doo, doo, doo. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, equilibrium. Let's look at this. This is an hour. If this candle closes below the 23, oh, good idea, Michael. You can use indicator templates for different FX market sessions. Change FX markets and then save template. Nice. Good idea. I saw someone else posted something about an indicator about the Asian session. Which one was it? Nico? I think it said Nico. Let's have a look at it. Am I going to trade New York Silver Bullet? I'm actually in the trade, so as you know, I'm going to manage this trade. So if the Silver Bullet aligns with another entry, then yes. Tired. Right. Well, how long we got to the hour? Half an hour. So we'll see where that closes. We'll keep that there. But it's too messy for now, so let's take it out. Down 15. That would have been a nice, what is it? 15 pips, about $100. I find it fascinating where price stops. I think that's what ICT, when first start looking at the market, I'm sure that was the first thing that, look at that, came into now. Fair value gap filled. What is it hunting? Yes, these lows. But what's the next thing? These lows. Continuation into equilibrium. The only interesting thing is I don't think we took the previous daily high, no. Where are we? Five. Let's see how it behaves here. We've taken that, we don't need it. That was taken. This is old. This is where we're interested. The scapegoat. What is a maximum pip for a bad position? It all varies. I don't trade on a fixed rules. I trade on a fixed think about it like a template. There's a template that changes, but there's a commonality around each day. So as you can see, I have scaled massively down this month, just because life has been crazy. So instead of like not recognizing that and going in with one lot and doing my normal trading, getting caught in big positions, dealing with positions under stressful environment in the real life, we have to be careful when things shock us in the real world, because we know that's going to affect us in our trading. So I switch, as you can see now, I've only got half a lot. I normally enter with 2 lots on a 1 entry. So if that goes 100 pips against me, that's $2,000. Now it needs to be $4,000 loss. No, what am I talking about? 200 pips. And repositioning, I do reposition differently completely every day. If you go into all my lives, if you want to see my normal trades under no crazy life situation, go onto my channel and watch I would say watch one of these videos. Like this 800, 500, 566. Watch these ones, because these are 2 months ago, 3 months ago, where I didn't have, the news of my dad or all that. So you will see my normal trading there. Now I've sized down a little bit. So obviously the profits are a lot smaller. It's basically half. That's okay. I'm sure when we get to America in Boston, a couple of weeks, I'll start feeling myself again. So your life situation affects your performance. Yeah, definitely. Losing my dad was definitely a big factor. There is price to go into the 1 hour order block and this intercept with 15 order block. Am I still in Greece? Yes, I am still in Greece, very close in Athens, for probably a couple more weeks. And then off we go to the States. Yanis, is the trade this now or from last night? This is from last night, the Crypto Queen. Are you going to trade? Then yeah, we said that. Thanks, Gazo. Can we see your baby? No, I don't think so. Appreciate that, Blitz. Thoughts with you. Thank you, Dan. It does. Time heals it. Thanks, Ali. And Bianca. Got into that fair value gap. Now start pushing down. Now this is like a classic entry, right? Broke the lows, filled the gap. It's a nice little entry there. Well, you're not taking it, Yanni. Oh, this is the Asian range? Wait. It's a bit weird. So this is the high, this is the low? Correct me if I'm wrong. This is the range, right? Show Asian session range on an 1 hour chart. Is it not shown on a 1 hour chart? Okay. So this is the range. So we took out the highs. Yes, it is. Okay. That's nice. I like this. I do like this. That bullish candle is a bit too aggressive. But look, it just filled this area here. And now we've got on the upside fair value gap there. And there, which is just filled. Let's see. Bit of an announcement for Marcel. There's about 100 people who put in the approval form, but you haven't clicked the rules. Without clicking the tick on the rules, you can't get access, guys. Let's see. This one here. Go on the verify after you've done the approval form. So you click this, send in the submission. Then you go onto rules and you click this. That will get you in. Thanks everyone for the nice words. Madrick, Zara, Drasko, Peter, Crypto Queen. I am feeling the love. I follow it every day. Nice, I like it. Good little tip. We might include this. So now we know these are the highs and these were the lows. So here it took out the high and delivered. Took out the high and delivered 10 pips. Nice. I like something new. So check it out. Previous New York session high was taken out. Then the market showed signs of a shift of market structure. One setup for live trading the session liquidity. So New York session high. You mean this? Well, the previous New York. This is New York time. 25th today, 24. Do you mean this high? Get some notifications that we have some new guys in the Vanguard. Colette Happy, Twan, Gibbo, Ben Daniels, and Hugo Trades. Hugo's in. Welcome, guys. What I would say, make sure you go through all of these. Start with the Vanguard, then the monthly book club, the weekly webinar. Get familiar with them. That's where we're going to spend a lot of time. Around 128441. 128441. 441. Do you mean the New York Open, as in like the midnight? Because the previous New York session, let's put it in. Oh, look at that. Wait, have I saved it? Really? Oh, this is interesting. Guys, we just found out of a feature. Yes. You don't know why I'm happy, but I'm happy. Let me just check it. Then I go indicator, boy talkie. Do me a favor. Can you find FX Market Sessions Yanis on there? Right, so this is interesting. This has the Tokyo session, right? And it takes the whole Tokyo session from 8 o'clock till 5. So now. So I'm interested in why that high is there. Is that the... Let's go to... Where is it? Let's go Hong Kong. Hong Kong time. 8 a.m. So it starts on 7. Finishes at 1 o'clock. So why does the high stop? Ah, got it. I think I got it. Because that's when... So this goes up to the London Open. 6. It goes up to 6 a.m. I'm guessing you can change that. any Asian range experts in here, that would help. Why is the Asian market stopping from let's go to New York. Too many now, I have to take them out. So this is the silver bullet one. So wrong time zone. I think I was on, let's see, Hong Kong. 7 till 1. So it has like a 5-hour session. Asia session according. This is the actual time that it has on there, right? So this is what Nico 948 has provided. Interesting. Let's kill that. Kill that. So if we go here, Boy Toki, that's the silver bullet. If I close that and go to the Yanis, that is the default one. So in here, we can change this. So let's do the kill zones on this. Let's find the kill zone times because my memory is going. Still in that range. Everything is waiting for that Fed announcement. Right, so Forex, Asian range, let's go here. This is New York total, GMT -4. This is Asian range. We've got 8 till 0. Next, we have midnight open. Let's put them all in. Can we put them all in? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. We got 4. So we won't do the central bank or London close. We'll just do Asian range. Actually, midnight open. Let's go Asian range. Midnight open. I won't do London close because that's pretty much is New York open, end of open. So we've got midnight open, which is 0. How can we do this? That's sure. Then we got London open. which is 2 a.m. I don't think I can trade in New York or in Boston. I don't know what the time is there. And last, we've got New York Open. And then we're gonna go, that's gonna be 7 a.m. pre-market. Until 10. Okay, so that's it. We want pips. Actually, let's add day. And press OK. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go here. Oh. I'm going to go... I think that has worked. Let's kill this. Yeah, look at that. He was correct. Asian range. Nice, that's nice. So let's delete that. Guys, if you're wondering... Right, so I use this one. It's a little cheat sheet. See if I can show you. There it is. This little cheat sheet. So now, what I also did, which is cool, I saved that as a script. So now, Giannis kill zones. Save that there, and I've got it. I like that. So, let's have a look at where we are. London Open definitely needs to change color. I always like London on red. A strong red. New York, I like it on a orange. Don't ask me. That's my brain. Midnight Open, purple. Asian range. What's it? This one. It is what it is, actually. Yeah. All right, so okay. Now let's look at price. Delete everything. Nice. That's all you need. If you can read price action, you got your ranges in. And then if you want, you can add the other indicator, which is the kill zones. Let's see if it does it. Oh no. Wait, not kill zones. It's the... kill that. So we've got our sessions, go back. I think I've changed this one. Boom. Now you've got your London Open kill zone, and inside you've got where the silver bullet is. That's clean. We don't need the range. We've got the Asian range there, so you've got the high there, low there. Silver bullet there. New York, silver bullet, New York Open. Is that right? New York. It's the time zone. New York. -4. Where is it? New York. Yeah, 10 o'clock till 11. And then that's the open. Yeah, super. Look at that. Maybe these letters need to move. Maybe we'll take out... We know that the small boxes are the silver bullet. So what we'll do is to take away the names. And the pips. Do I need the pips? You can't really see it there. I'll take the pips out. Boom! Look at that. Full ICT setup. Nice. So we know where the midnight range is. So the first one is the 000, midnight open. Just there. So then you can just go and you can put one of these on the candle there. So that's the midnight price. And we can see how it's been respected. Asian lows is there. So we can do the Asian low there. Change that color to match it. This is the midnight. Then you got everything there. Right, guys, I'm quite proud of myself with that. Moment of genius. Save it as a script. And then save it on the scripts. And you can use multiple scripts on top of each other. Good morning, Rafa. Rafa, I need to know which Rafa you are on Discord. There's a few, isn't there? I'll go later and see which one you are. Hello, I've got a friend, of course. A friend of a friend is always our friend. Let's go and put in the dailies in now. That's what's missing. I think, Marcel, a good pin below this video will be a how to set kill zones and a silver bullet at the same time. That would be a good pin. Okay, Raphael, and then Rafa. Confusing. Template, daily high. And then this one, daily low. We're at equilibrium. Do 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 do. There is an I fair value gap on the daily. This one. Yeah, I want this price. Where did the hour close? We didn't see. Let's hide. Can I hide all these? Hide. Just hide them. One hour. What did I say? If we close below the 23, highly likely we go to 50. Ta-da! I am Rafa B is my name on Discord. And we've got Raphael B as well. So, London Open is coming to an end. Let's see, it's delivered 32 pips, so quite a small session. We've come from the lows and it's hunting the highs. We've just taken out this, pushed back down, delivered a 50% retracement, had an attempt to go higher, failed at the exact fair value gaps that we were talking about, this one here, and now it's hunting the lows to come back to the Asian range here. It can easily push to the midnight open, which will be sell side and equilibrium. I think we're going to enter not there. You know me, I don't like equilibrium trades. I want to be an extreme. We closed this trade at the high here. So we missed out on, what's this? Another 20 pips. Yeah, that would have been nice. But we wouldn't have taken out our trade, I think. Came close, but we didn't get it out. About, what was it, $30? Konstantinos Anastasiou. Your name looks like a spam. Greek fellow, Yasu. Your name sounds Cypriot. Am I right? Judas move, Judas swing. Yeah. If that was the Judas swing, let's look at it again. The Judas swing, you could argue, in the London Open, was this here. Swinging to the lows, and then pushing higher. Now, if it takes the highs of the Asian market, like it has now here, and then it pushes lower, then you're right, that would be the swing. Thank you, Rafa. I'm proud of it as well. I literally just created it now because I realized you can use scripts. Feel free to copy it, guys. So what I've done, I've put GMT -4, Asian market with the times, midnight open. I just added one on there, just so the line shows. Let's see if it shows with 0. No, so we need the 1. Genius. So we need, uh-oh, did I mess it up? No, I did. So we need that, and the first line open is where you're going to take your line. So wait, that closed. So this candle closed here. Let's go on the minute. $59. So that opened there and closed down there. Yeah, that's right. Is that what we call the unicorn method? I've got no idea. I'm sorry. I've done the 2022 mentorship up to 32 episodes. And then I watched the one video in the silver bullet. And then I did a video on the OT. Bam, bam, bam. Where are we? Where are we? This was the pushback. Came in and filled this fair value here. Look at that. Boom. Nice entry there. Came down. Let's see. How close are we? 91%. Look at that graph. We need it to go a bit more in the 45 towards the end here. It's got really nice strong push here. And then we had a push there. We need a little more, bit more. What's that? 12,500 minus 11,363. I am that person who calculates even the easiest things. Can't even use the calculator. $1,137. So when we get close to that, I'm going to withdraw. Why can't I withdraw? 17 days. Yeah, it hasn't been. Is it 10 days? Win rate, normally we're used to a bit higher win rate. Really happy with the profit factor. We're at 278. That's really high, guys. Best profits, 1,190. 306. Yanis, are you planning to up your lot size a tiny bit at 300 or just keep it the same and effectively reduce risk? All I'm worried about is this number here, my balance, because that's what protects my account. So I've got 260, actually this one, sorry, equity. 262,000. Let's do a calculation. 262,670. This is the Fivers bootcamp. I started with 100k. Minus 240, 123. Right, so I've got 22,670 dollars that I can play with, right? Because if it goes to 240, they will take my account away. So this month, I'm going to take out 5,000. So there's going to be 17,670 as a safety net for this account. So I definitely need to increase my lot size from half a lot because I'm not making as much money. So hopefully when we get back to America, and I've given myself good like a few months to get back to feeling better about what's happened. I'm going to go back to 1 and 1, so spread 1 and 1. So I am anticipating to increase size, but I won't do it. If it gives me 8 to 10,000 a month, for me, for a period until I hit bigger numbers, there's no reason to change anything, as long as I'm getting paid that number. So I was getting paid this number before I got the news. So it's telling me that I don't need to increase more than one lot. So, hope that explains it. The one thing I need to do is change, because at the moment, this is copying to the other account, which is not working. So we need to change that. The little one, the growth one. How many strategies do you trade? I wouldn't call my trading a strategy. I know that sounds weird. Let's take this book. Wait, we need a different camera. Take this book and you open it, right? You start on page 1. Think of this of pound USD. When I started trading pound USD, I saw 1 day. I had 1 day information. I had 1 day of trying liquidities, London Open, New York kill zones, or da-da-da-da-da-da-da. So you can say these are strategies, but I don't actually use them yet. Second page, third page, we have read a few chapters, right? What I have read in here, I'm not worried about how kill zone worked in the pound USD. What I want to know is, how does the pound USD work? So at the moment, this is summer period. This is my first summer period where I'm experiencing trading the pound USD. It's not as easy as before May. Have you noticed that? Price a bit slower. Let's look at May. How do I go to May? Let's get days. This will be an interesting thing you can see. Look at these candles. July, June, May. Right? November, October, September. August was big. So previous summer, look how different previous summer conditions were to these. So there's a big shift in the market. The price is pushing up, but it's kind of squeezing. Oh my God, I haven't changed the camera, sorry. Thanks for telling me. So I've gone on a monthly. Your face is not interesting. My wife would say otherwise. I hope so anyway. You see these candles here? Look at these. Big, big candles. This is August last year. 22. September, October. This here area, huge. 2,260 pips compared to 1,340 in this range. So these conditions are different than these. I made a lot of money at this period here. I made a lot of money. That was the first 12k month I had. So when conditions change, do you need to be greedy and try and chase the same sort of outputs? No. You understand the conditions here, and then you try and trade what the price is giving you now. Unfortunately, the price is giving us 30 pips. This pips, 76 pips, that's really nice, isn't it? That's a nice London Open. We're coming to the close, which is telling me there's anticipation for FOMC. 9 p.m. tomorrow. Everything is gearing up for that. Change your camera. Sorry for that. We're just kidding. FOMC. That's going to be a big one. 9 p.m. That's quite late. Oh wait, what time zone is this? Athens. 10:30. That's wrong. At least that's right. Okay, so 9 p.m. tomorrow, guys. Be super careful. Price is slowly doing what we said, coming back to that Asian range. Equal lows there. when the market will go up, I'm getting a very big loss. So Blitz, where are you shorting? What did you short? Are you somewhere down here? We are expecting a sweep here, right? Let's see it. The sweep is coming. There it is. Sweeping the lows. The conscious day trader, hashtag profit. Not profit, profit. Look at it randomly stop there. It always happens. Because I drag these randomly and they always stop. Asian range. That must be some nice TP for David, I think. Swept the lows. Four pips to equilibrium. Is it going to fail to hit equilibrium? Is it going to bring it down to Asian low, high, which will be the low of the silver bullet? Where are the troops? They're lazy, they're resting. There's only one position in, which I cleared him out. We'll get him back in. Swept the lows. Now it's having an attempt. What was the lowest price? 128,435. It's a tune. The sweep was real. Look at that. Leonard says, we take the highs. Oh, I think we're coming lower. I think we're coming lower. To at least the Asian low. Let's see. One, 2, 8, 4, 2, 9. Yes, David, I'm only looking at pound dollar. Let's go here. Oh, I don't want that. Copy that. Let's see. There it comes. Pushing for the Asian low. Asian high. Say it right. Just the two of us. I always mention that, don't I? They stole it. Right, this is a good question. Kilonzo. How do we deal with psychology? That's my biggest hurdle yet. I get butterflies, I get scared after a loss, even if I know at the end of the day, a month, I am profitable. Let's pick this up. Do you see that rejection? This rejection here, pretty equal lows. So there's something interesting happening around the 128. What time are we on? 12:20. That volume is coming in 12:30. The conscious day trader volume, always around here. Right, let's talk about psychology. So if you are in a position where you're making profits, but you personally don't believe that these profits have come from a skillful action of you making those profits, so there's a bit of doubt, there's a bit of like a feeling of that I don't belong in here, why would I make this profit? Then we need to talk about that, because it might not be about trading. It might be something that you need to do outside of trading that will help you. Let's see what happens here. Imposter syndrome, postrum, can't hear my voice. Imposter. There we go. Hit the high. Look at that. Dead on the high. Again. Now it breaks it. What's the reaction? Touched it. So imposter syndrome is when you feel like you don't belong. So you're doing stuff, you're really good, but there's this big sensation that you're not good enough to do this, to return these profits, even though you are profitable. So that's one thing to look at. Hello, Anna. Big shout out to Anna. Go and check out her channel on the Fivers. Look at that, another attempt on the Asian. Here we go. Is it going to give equilibrium? True break here. What are we at? Not yet. Hunting these lows. So when we pass the imposter syndrome, let's go on there. Look at that pip. The only way you can do that is by starting changing your behavior. You need to live and breathe the trader that you want to be. So if you want to be the trader that's going to be successful, that's going to be consistent, it's going to bring in the... First of all, let me just reply to Blitz. There should never be a very big loss. You should always be able to manage the situation. So if you see that the positions are out of manage, so you're just praying to God for things to happen, something hasn't gone wrong, right. So you need to make sure that, I'm guessing you're in a long position, must be. If you can't handle this heat, then my friend, you need to either size down or you kill the trade, accept that you might go your way, but it would be a lesson for you, because there's two things that can happen. One, it goes your way suddenly and you think you're God and yes, I was right, when actually it was you over risked and you overexposed the account. Or it goes to your loss and it becomes a very, very big loss. So that's what I would say, I would suggest. We're going for the equilibrium. This is an area where we're getting interested. We're getting below in discounted areas. Remember, we closed this morning 163. So we do want discounted area. The midnight open is in discount. That's quite nice. You are also getting loss. Allah will help us. I don't interpret it. Yeah, going back to what we discussed with Kilonzo. Give me a second. A lot of the times we think that trading is the problem, but it's not. Because if you have a proven month or 2 months that you can be profitable on a daily basis, then Kilonzo, we need to work on psychology. Have a good one, Marcel. Since we were delayed this morning, I'm gonna stay a bit longer. Hopefully it will give us this entry. Into equilibrium. Boom. To the pip. Look at that. Delivered. This is distribution, guys. This here is distribution. Judas. Come back up. Gave you the entry. And delivery. 2 days in a row that he's done that on the short side. Here's a question for Anna, if she's here. Do you hedge on the fivers, which is going long and short at the same time? We failed to take the low here. So far. So you're looking short on GU. Currently, I'm not shorting, no. I am looking for longs. I'm just patiently waiting for the shorts to deliver a discounted price. So we're all happy. So Anna doesn't. We were discussing earlier if hedging is allowed on all accounts. I know bootcamp is allowed. Hypergrowth also. I don't know about high stakes. I don't think they would not allow it. Tiago, I'm sure, assuming everyone asked. Right, fasting was quite tough. Like yesterday, I had pains in my body. I don't know if it's related, but oh, there we go. Took the low. Into the fair value. This must be midnight zone. Midnight. Now we need to see price action here. So price has delivered from the highs all the way down to New York midnight. 48 hours fast though. That's tough. Oh, wait, so 40 hour. 40 hour, that would be, yeah, I think that's doable. I was quite fine on the 40 hour. I did an 82 hour. And I would say on the 70 hours, I was feeling a bit weak. But it did feel good afterwards, eating my first meal. Back on the New York Open. Looking to take the lows of the London Open. Let's see. This is just pouring down now. Have we reached the gap? Not yet. We're hunting. Hunting for the gap. Buy side taken out. Where is the gap? There's the gap. It's got a few while to go. So the troops are waiting. Fair value gap filled. You're welcome, Chilonzo. It's important to break the fast correctly. I have done many fasts, and the worst ones was when I ate fruit after 48 hours. I was sick for 2 days. I did start my fast with melon, watermelon. I did fruit, which I know is not the best, but my body was actually feeling like it. The best way is to do green juice or bone broth. I've heard that as well, and also fermented fruit and veg, because it's easier for the body to digest. So the longest I've done is 82 hours, which I did in 40 degrees heat in Greece. Bit silly. Taking out the highs. Now there's going to be a bit of a reaction on the DXY. This imbalance here. You don't see candles. Have I done it again? You don't see this? Yes, Steve. That was the thing I was going for. Autophagy. Such a cool thing. Your body healing its own body by eating the bad cells. Do I live in Greece? I live in Bali. In a place called Chemayi. It's very close to Canggu. Yes, DXY will definitely have a reaction around this area. Welcome to Jimmy86, our latest person on Discord. Back up on that liquidity. Anna says, I normally do 72 hours fast. Wow, nice. And then next day, celery juice, bone broth, and steamed veggies for dinner. Nice. How often do you do, Anna? Civil engineer. And I said, is your first time buy above the equilibrium? Good question. This, very good question. Oh no, I've done it again. Put that there. Ooh, we're coming down. Here we go, guys. Hunting. This is the DXY. This is the DXY moving this. How far is it? 30 pips. Okay, this might deliver this. Let's see the volume. Nice, Michael. Yes, so just water for 4 days. DXY 4 hour. Let's have a look. That's the gap. It's the same one on the daily. Which is the 50% retracement, by the way. 50, this golden zone here. What are we on now? Let's see. Good old fib. 61. We've hit with the previous day. Now we're hunting that 76.4. 76.4 is below the previous daily low. Didn't take liquidity yet. Failed to take the low there. DXY is pushing. It's just touched. What is this? It's just filled this fair value gap. Here. So we go on the hour. Let's take all this out. Look at that. Boom. Filled it. Next target is the gap, which coincides with the 0.5 and 618. Which means we're not doing anything until that's getting hit. Bloom, do I think that DXY will fill the gap maybe before going down? I do think so, but it may not so. That's definitely what I'm waiting for before I start loading up any long positions on the pound dollar. Why enter now when you can see a clear target here? Doesn't make any sense. Golden zone, gap, too many things. Unless you're in a short position, until we hit those lows, you grab a coffee or you grab a water if you're fasting. Why just water? Good question. Someone asked me a good question earlier. I didn't respond, did I? Oh, why did I buy premium? I explained it yesterday in the video. Watch yesterday's live. At some point I explained why I got in the entry. It wasn't a good entry, to be honest. It teaches me not going in early. Sell side taken. Into this fair value next. Fair value, what are we, 15? So there's a reason why you should only drink water. One, for insulin levels. Any sugar spikes your insulin. Just having water cleanses the gut, gives a break to all the work that it's doing with all the food we feed it, good or bad. Fair value gap plus breaker, I think you're saying. Yeah, that was a nice entry there. That one, boom, there. It was a fair value. There was a fair value gap right there. Could have taken that. It would have given you $29 pips, 30 pips. But do you feel improvements in energy? Yes. So there's something that happens after the, I believe, 40 hours. Ketones start building up. And these are the process of the body using fat as energy. So the cycle goes, you use all your glucose first, whatever's stored in the liver and the muscles. When that's exhausted, then you go into any leftover storage carbohydrate that is not processed in ready glucose. And after that, it goes into ketosis, which is the process of changing fat into glucose to use for energy. That's how you burn your fat cells as well. God, going back to my old job. So you do feel a little bit down from the transition of using glucose and protein to ketones. So that stage is quite hard. You have to, maybe a day, or some people it's hours. You feel a bit lethargic. But then when ketones come in, you suddenly have a boost of energy around the third day. And that continues into the 72 hours. Autophagy only starts 72 hours onwards. Okay, so this is going to have, took out the lows, now pushing back up into this fair value. Keto flu, the worst. What's that? I need to look that up. What's keto flu? I'm intrigued. You're talking about doing a diet. I don't agree with keto diet. It sounds ridiculous. Just having fats and protein. No sugar. No vegetables or carbs. Don't like that. That's different to ketosis. Ketosis is something that happens in the body. Jerem, yeah, that's something that I might start including. It was quite easy. The first day, like 1 day fast, was really easy. When I got into the second, third day, then it gets a bit harder. But like now that I've done a long one, I might start doing a intermittent fasting, which is, I guess you stop eating after your last meal, and if you eat quite early, let's say you eat at 6, 7, and then you have lunch, that's like an 18 hours fast. Lots of benefits for that. All right, guys, I think we're getting close to this time. As always, been brilliant. Thanks to myself for always being so awesome and helping everyone, including myself, with Discord problems and everything else. This guy is like incredible. What I'm waiting, we'll chat in the Discord as well. But what I'm waiting for is that price to come lower. What is probably going to do, woulda, shoulda, coulda, what we're analyzing and think is going to happen. There it is. Probably something like this. Find the the midnight price, deliver fair value gap, retracement. Who knows? Something like that would give us a nice discounted price, and then around the 128. That would be a nice area that we would be interested in for maybe a bigger position. But let's see. As always, have a good one, guys.
Planning
run it. I can't take no loss, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground then it go off, yeah. Hit the ground then it go off, yeah. I can't take no loss, I don't even know what it costs, yeah. I hit the ground then it go off, yeah. Hit the ground then it go off, yeah, yeah. Run it, ooh. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn patty. Gotta keep on chugging, ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed in heaven, got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up, I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities will never come unless you paying attention, so no, I can't miss that. Moving, MVP, I got the record, I might have to prove something. Big jumper worthy, they gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming, had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground then it go off, yeah, hit the ground then it go off, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, yeah. I hit the ground then it go off, yeah, hit the ground then it go off, yeah, yeah. Run it, ooh. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'ma jack it like Letterman. Y'all better not let them in, they gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling. Started a chain, the cycle is heaven sent. This is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit. I'm a pit bull.